got to the bus stop. We're heading to Ninh Binh.
I feel like I'm repeating my trip. It's
Got
funny.
all
like I'm just like,
our bags here. Ready to go for 16 hours. So we made it on our overnight bus. We've got these like little compartments. I'm down here near the window. There's Ryan. Charlie's there. Ash is there. Where's Erin? Oh, Erin's over here. And there's all the other compartments. So we just stopped in Hoi and they told us we had to get off our bus and onto this new one. So now we're all sitting up here together. Ryan's next to me. Erin's on the other side.
yeah, we're up here.
Charlie here.
Top bunks.
Top bunks. So it wasn't really the best sort of like...
Yeah, I got kicked out.
Yeah, we got kicked out. I was sitting like down there and then other people came and sat there. But we've got maybe 2 hours until we stop for dinner. So not sure where we're stopping or what we're doing. Part of the adventure. We've just stopped over, not sure where we are, but we are getting dinner. What's the time? 6:30. Dong Ha. And we're getting fried rice and spring rolls and what are you getting for? Egg fried rice. Egg fried rice. Yeah, egg fried rice.
Oh, that's good. Here you go.
Fruit. Come on.
One over there.
One beetroot soup.
Come in. Yeah.
We just had dinner and now we're back on the bus.
Got ice cream.
Ash got ice cream. We got some like Oreos.
That was the funniest thing
a little
ever.
Pepsi and some Pringles to share. I can't sit on properly. It's 3:30 in the morning. We've all sort of been like in and out of sleep. And we're about 23 minutes away by maps. So maybe like 40 minutes. Because these buses are really slow. And the weather here looks shocking. Which will be fun. It's 8 degrees. We're waiting for our grab.
No, it's just like loading. Is like what? Is it for?
I didn't bring a jumper.
You're rude. We just got to our accommodation. All our shit's just here. We're all freezing. And we're just doing our passports. But check-in's not until 2. And it's 4 AM. Yeah. So it's about 8 degrees. And we're just hoping they have either our beds ready or a bed ready in some sort of room. But we're just outside with all our stuff. Okay, this is bed until 2 PM when we can check into our room.
And I'll let you lie in the room.
Morning. It's 8:52 with like 2-3 hours sleep. Ash, Erin and I end up being moved into like some wardrobe space area while the boys like were literally in like a little shack just over there, like in the beer storage section. It's 10 degrees, so it's only gone up like by 2 degrees and we're standing near this little fire, keeping warm, getting smoky. And I think we're all gonna go find somewhere to get a extra large coffee. And I think like I want to get a beanie. Erin wants to get a jumper. Maybe even some more gloves or something. Just while we're here, and even when we go up north to Hanoi, it's similar weather. So we're gonna need it. But this fire is feeling pretty good. I got a beanie. Charlie got a beanie. Ash and Erin are trying on clothes. There's so many of these shops with like North Face and Patagonia and stuff on them, but it's cold.
I haven't bought anything yet.
Ryan hasn't brought anything yet. We sort of came prepared. We brought these from home and we got pants and then we've got our fleece underneath. So I think we're gonna go find somewhere to eat Get some food. I want some pho. We just got a pho. And we're just sitting here by the fire on the street. Alright, so we decided to walk. We still can't check into like our accommodation for a while. So we're deciding to walk to Hang Mua viewpoint.
H-A, hang, and then M-U-A.
It's like the viewpoint that Ninh Binh known for. So it's about a 50-minute walk. I think it was like just under 4 Ks. And the start of the walk is beautiful with all these mountains. Apparently 11 degrees still. I don't think it's gonna get any warmer.
It's cold. We're rugged up. Yeah, it's got
My anxiety there just like shot.
We're just going for a little toilet break and now we got to keep walking to get to the base of here, and that's our little trail all the way up.
Come on.
So we're just walking to the base now and we're heading up there.
Look at that.
We're just in the middle of all these mountains.
Oh, there's a big hole there. Look at the little like viewing
Yeah. It's about 500 steps up apparently, so it takes roughly like 20 minutes. So it's pretty cold still, but might be a bit like wet. So hopefully these sandals do okay. You got your runners on.
I got my runners on, so I'll be good.
You'll be good. We just walked up there and there's like that only railing there and there's like a massive concrete dragon, and then we're gonna head back down but to another lookout point that has like the little temple thing. But this is the view from where I'm sitting right now. There's so many boats going along there. So we were just up there with that dragon. Now we're going up here. And we came from all the way down there, but look how steep the stairs are. Like super steep. Made to the top.
Made it.
Okay, so just for reference, we just like climbed all the way back down and then we're gonna walk an hour back into town. We walked all the way up to that like little tower there, and then we walked all the way up around near like the flag, or we can't really see because of the trees, but that's how like steep it is. That's us on the ground, that's how far up it is. So it was actually pretty good because of the weather. Like I didn't feel that hot and sweaty, but it's definitely a little tough like on the knees and the ankles, especially if you're in like just sandals. So recommend doing like hiking boots or runners. Everyone else did runners and didn't have a problem. But there's just all these limestone mountains all around. So beautiful and peaceful here. Highly recommend.
Imagine coming back to
Good morning. It's, what is the time? It's just 20 to 10. We ended up getting back really late last night, and then we only just checked into our rooms last night when we got back. So we've got like 6 beds here. Charlie, Ash, Erin's down there, I'm here, and then Ryan's up top of there. So we all had a really decent sleep. Ash and Charlie are at the gym. I think today we're going to go back into the town we were in yesterday. Going to go sit at a cafe and just want to take my computer, take the journals and just have a chill morning. And then I think Erin and I want to get some like better pants because I've only got like 1 pair of long pants and I thought that would be enough. But like we're going to be in the cold for probably the next whole week. And then when we like move on and stuff, we'll probably hit some cold weather somewhere along the way. So I'm gonna get some like proper pants, kind of like these ones that Ryan's wearing right now. And then like a compression long sleeve. And I think Erin wants to do the same because she's gonna do high Jean loop. So yeah. How's everyone feeling?
Cold.
Cold.
Tired, but good.
So we're just sitting at a cafe. I'm editing videos, but we went and got some warmer clothes. I got like a thermal long sleeve, and then I got these pants as well. I don't know what you call them, hiking pants. Oh. And they like zip off right there and turn into shorts, but they're a cool colour. And then Ryan got a new beanie, North Face beanie, and a little wallet.
Yeah, wallet.
It's like really. You got a new little wallet.
Read it.
Ash bought this jumper yesterday.
Hey, what a jumper.
She got the jumper yesterday. Erin just gone for a walk with you bought a jumper too. And Erin. And then Charlie brought this really cool like wind rain jacket and a beanie.
So cheap, it's amazing.
So cheap. I think we bought all of ours. So Ryan and I got a beanie, the pants, my long sleeve and the wallet, all for 500 dong, which was about 30 Australian dollars. Roughly 30 Australian dollars. And it's all branded with like North Face and all that. So it seems like the proper stuff, which is great. Now we're walking to Bich Dong Pagoda.
Yep.
Bich Dong Pagoda, which it's about half an hour
It was
walk.
about, half an hour, 35
Roughly,
minutes.
Yeah, 35-minute walk from where we just were. So we're going to head there now and then just walk back into town afterwards and probably get a banh mi. And then maybe head back to accommodation and chill because we've got to organise getting a bus to Hanoi tomorrow, which is about 2 hours by bus. So this is our last full day here. Ryan and I just finished our walk. We got some banh mi's, so cheers. Good.
Yep.
I'm going to end this vlog here. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed and keen to see you in the next one.